vbar neon setup using Spectrum DX9 transmitter. So let's show you what I did with my DX9. Source type normal. Flight mode, I use switch B, which is that one, for my flight mode, and switch H, that one, for my hold. Channel assignment, I'm gonna use aux3 for my rescue switch. So let's go to the next page. So aux3, I assign it to I, which is the binding switch. I have swapped it with switch A for better access to the binding switch when I'm using the rescue mode. Trim setup, everything at 0, no need in fiberless systems.
Warning, hold mode, normal mode.
Let's go to the function list, servo setups, the travel adjustments, everything should be 100. The aux3, which you're gonna use for your rescue, should be 0, 100, as that. My throttle curve, normal, flat 0, stunt 1, 50%, stunt 2, 100%. Gyro menu, not activated. Governor menu, I'm gonna use the H switch, which is my hold switch.
Hold mode, normal mode.
Channel aux2. Position 1, 100%. Position 0, 100%. Position 1, minus 100%.
Hold mode, normal mode.
My timer, I'm gonna use the hold mode to activate the timer.
Hold mode.
So let's plug in the vbar.
Flight pack, no data.
Before you go into the setups, for safety purposes, back up the motor or remove the blades. Here is where you're gonna bind. You're gonna select what you're using, if it's a DSM2 or a DSMX, 11 milliseconds or 22. Unbind it through going through the procedures here. in the transmitter
Flight pack 0 milliamp hours.
page. Here is where you adjust your trial adjustment to get everything to 100. And you can also check your switches if they work. The motor stop as I'm using the hold button. So let's see if it works.
Normal mode.
Motor should be running there.
Hold mode. Normal mode.
This bank switches. Normal is bank 1.
Stunt 1.
That is bank 2.
Stunt 2.
That is bank 3.
Stunt 1.
The rescue switch. That's active.
Flight pack 0
Active.
milliamp hours.
The sensor, you put it, you select your orientations. The rotation, you select what you have in your model. The squash, you select the squash that correspond to your model. And here you can go to the expert parameters. Here you can calibrate the horizontal position so that your vbar rescue mode knows the position it should be. I used that
Flight pack 0 milliamp
to level
hours.
it as nicely as I could. After you have leveled your helicopter, you push the calibrating button. So the rest of the setups, you know. So let's go to the front page. So here you can check out your
Normal mode.
switches. My hold switch,
Hold mode.
motor off, motor stops,
Normal mode.
motor running. The banks,
Flight pack 0 milliamp hours. Stunt 1.
second bank,
Stunt 2.
third bank,
Stunt 1.
second bank,
Normal mode.
and then you can check your rescue. Just see when you press the rescue switch, the squash should jump a bit. And on the live switch at the vbar program, see, active. So I hope this helps.